How to get gorgeous glowing skin, suitable for every day, but if you don't like too much shine, I'm going to show you a way to modify it in the end, so stay tuned. Start with a full coverage concealer and spot conceal in the areas where you might have some redness or discoloration, hyperpigmentation, or areas where you just want to even out your skin tone. I always love to put some over my eyes as well because it gives a great eyeshadow base. Now take a cream bronzer and we're going to apply it in the areas where the sun would naturally hit your face. So think top of the forehead, top of the cheekbone, and then of course over the eye. You'll notice I put everything on my complexion over my eye. Now when picking a cream blush, pick a color that's going to be super flattering to your skin tone, but also something that can be nice and brightening as well. So when you're placing it on top of the cheekbones and on top of the eyelid, it gives you a really beautiful, bright, glowing complexion. Now this next step is optional, but I do highly recommend taking a concealer that's about 2 shades lighter than your normal concealer and placing it in the areas of the face that might gather shadows or to brighten under the eyes and under the contour. This illuminating highlight stick really is the secret weapon to a super glowy complexion. I highly recommend because it's colorless, it just gives you sheen and shine. If you love shine but you still want longevity, I recommend taking a powder, blush, and bronzer and placing it over the areas where you placed your cream products. You'll retain that great glow, but you'll also have nice longevity for the whole day. And this is your gorgeous skin result. Enjoy!